Okay, so we are wrapping up this unit with an easy way to check your work. And this is so important as we get to harder questions, because we're not stopping here. Eventually we're going to be moving to 3 steps and multi-steps, and this process works for every single question. And not only that, often it's actually easier than doing the work. So let's get started. We really want to check our work. And we do that after we've solved a question. So let's go ahead and solve these like we normally would. We get rid of the farthest first, so this 5's got to go. Cancel. 17 minus 5 gives us 12. We have x over 3. Then we multiply both sides by 3 to cancel. We end up with x. 12 times 3 gives me 36. Next one over, my 3 is on the outside. It's the farthest from my x, so I divide both sides by 3. 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. The x minus 2 comes down. Add 2. Add 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. X equals 5. But how do we check if we're right? All you do is plug x back in. You plug it back into your question. If both sides are equal, your answer is right. And we're going to do just that. So, my answer here was 36. 36 is going back into the question. My answer here was 5, so 5 is going back into the question. So, 36 divided by 3 gives me 12. I bring down my 5 as well, and I have 17 on my right. 12 plus 5 gives me 17, which equals 17, and guess what? We were right. All we had to do was plug it back in. This process just uses PEMDAS, which we know. And here we can do 5, so because these are in parentheses, we do the subtraction here first. 5 minus 2 gives me 3, which is still in parentheses. Then we do 3 times 3, which gives me 9. 9 equals 9, so we were right again. This process is extremely easy. Whenever you have a multiple choice question and you have 4 answers possible, you can just plug in your multiple choice answers to see which one's right. Or, for questions like this, instead of solving a bunch of times, plug it back in. So, here, just plug in 6. Just plug in 6. Just plug in 6. Just plug in 6 for all of these. Put these through Desmos, see which of them equal the right side, and that's the easiest way to find your answer. You don't have to solve, just plug it in. Alright, let me know if you have any questions, and thank you very much. Once you're done with this practice, you can go ahead and do the quick check on Canvas. Thank you.